got my tow bar on from it's from Billy Gunter. It's one of his last runs that he did, and I got the one with the camera. You can see it in the middle, which is pretty cool. I don't have to run mine in there. Did it for me. Only thing I wish it was a night vision camera, so I might take that one out later, put a night vision one in. But overall, it's a nice looking bar. I like it. It's going to give some protection to the bumper, somewhat. If you lower your car, which this one's not lowered yet, that'll help protect it as well for going up driveways and stuff, steep curbs. And I have it sticking out a couple inches past the tip of the nose on purpose because I like that look.